These are the content for your vlog.
दोस्त है तो सही, क्यों चाहिए कंधा बैगेज?
Jatin, Ashutosh, Shubhajit and Shreya, and I am so lucky to have them.
Hey lady, उतना ही चलना पड़ रहा है, पता है आपको?
तुम तो मेन हो यार, तुमने काम करा है भाई।
भाई ये सब डालना नहीं इंस्टा यूट्यूब या स्नैपचैट।
Also, if you can see here, my miniature collection is there, and also in the balcony we've put lightings.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
My previous owner, she is such a bitch. सब बदल गया ना? The way I'm having my tea in the balcony now. Yes. अब मैं अपनी morning tea ना balcony में ही पीती हूँ because I have one. I know the location, the morning routine, it's all changed. Hi everyone, I am Tanya. Welcome to my channel Tanya Talks. Today I am going to talk about something that has given me immense happiness. It's something that makes me really proud of myself, and that is why I want to talk about it. I want to share the moments of it. So I've shifted to a new place. So I'm gonna tell you that when I was in school, I always used to just imagine myself living all by myself, paying my bills, managing each and everything on my own. And when I started doing it, I just forgot at times that I need to be proud of myself as well, and I need to be grateful as well. It's just that slowly and steadily I started realizing that, you know, I need a bigger space for myself, and there are a lot of things which I so wanted to do and I've done here. So this is a tiny table which I bought to keep right next to my bed because I drink a lot of water, so my water bottle is always here, and the book that I am currently reading is this. This was being gifted to me by someone, and whatever book I'm reading currently, it's always here right next to my bed because I like to read before I sleep. And this is the favorite part, and this is a favorite corner of my room where all my books are kept, and I wanted to have this bookshelf from like really long. So yeah, this is the favorite corner. Also, if you can see here, my miniature collection is there. I love collecting these miniature bottles, and all my books are gonna be here. I got a sexy mirror. Now the balcony. Here is the pretty balcony. We got the beanbag also today. So I know, like, it might sound very small things, but these are not just small things for me, right? While shifting, I have realized so many things. Unfortunately, when there are single girls, I'm pretty sure it happens with the single guys as well, that bachelors do not get the place so easily, and then you have to hear so many rubbish things. You want to like stay alone, and you know, you are trying to shift and move to a better place, better area, better society, blah blah blah. The first thing that they are going to talk to you about is यहाँ पे ऐसे लेट नाइट पार्टीज नहीं चलेंगी, या बॉयफ्रेंड्स अलाउड नहीं है, यहाँ एक नहीं मिल रहा आपको, बॉयफ्रेंड्स की पड़ी है. I mean, also, oh my god, the owners, why cannot they be generous or nice or just human? My previous owner, I am so frustrated with her. I don't feel that just because of age we should respect someone. I feel that the person should be respectful enough, and then only we should respect them. She is such a she used to, like, you know, interrupt in each and everything. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? Nah, 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 all of that shit, okay? Which was so irritating. And then when I decided to shift, the amount of trouble that lady has given me when you are into a job and everything. So most of the things are like cut to cut. You know, you get the salary on the first of every month, and then you have certain expenses which you manage. Then you like try to save a particular amount. So everything is like cut to cut, right? So suddenly, when a bigger expense comes, it becomes really, really difficult. And this was that time for me. And right before shifting, I have come back from a trip, okay, the beer billing trip. So there also I've like spent a good amount of money. And then I had to shift immediately. I was so anxious and I used to be in panic mode all the time.
ये इधर सामने
दोस्त है तो सही, क्यों चाहिए कंधा बैगेज?
वैसे वाला नहीं यार, ये लोग फिर मजाक उड़ा देते हैं जब मैं सेंटी होती हूँ ना, तो ये सब मजाक उड़ा देते हैं मेरा, तो इनके सामने सेंटी नहीं हो पाती हूँ मैं. But as soon as I entered this place, I knew that this is so pretty and I just want to be here.
And also in the balcony, we put lightings.
My new owners, till now they have been really nice. Touch wood. Now that everything is done, I am super happy.
Don't do this to me. अभी हम getting used to it. These are the content for your vlog.
I am not. Do you really think मैं अपनी बेइज्जती डालूंगी अपने ही vlog में?
अरे यार देख दो यार, अब ये तो डालना नहीं इंस्टा यूट्यूब या स्नैपचैट.
ठीक है. The day I was shifting, that day also it was such a big mess. Shreya was my rescue all the time. I am so grateful and so lucky that she was here with me during that time.
You wanna say anything? I'm tired already. I hate adulting.
I am very grateful and I'm so lucky to have certain people in my life.
बहुत मजा आ रहा
I love my friends. I'm so lucky. You know, I did not even have to like convince or to ask for help or anything. My friends were just there. Jatin, Ashutosh, Shubhajit and Shreya, you know, these people were there and they just made everything so easy for me.
अरे तुम तो मेन हो यार, तुमने काम करा है भाई. अजय, अरे भाई तो ऐसे क्यों करने लग जाती है पागल जैसे? बंद कर दिया.
So yeah, just a reminder for you as well that please be grateful and please appreciate the people around you. The life will be little happier. Okay, so thank you so much and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and please hit the like button if you are happy in my happiness as well. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.